Very good morning, students. Today we are going to study second chapter of civics, that is chapter name role of government in health. What are the roles of the government in the health facility? We know private nowadays we can see the because of this corona we are familiar with the government services, what are in which hospitals we are getting government service and which are the private sectors hospitals, like that things. And we can see the chapter is dealing with all these points, like that what is the two types of healthcare, that is public health services as well as private health services. In that, what are the duties of the government, what they are giving. And we can see the healthcare and equality means how the government is trying to give equality or trying to make equality in the what we can say in the healthcare situation. And what we can do, we ourselves what should do. And here it is given the example of two places. One is Kerala, that is one of our Indian state, and Costa Rica, that is the one of the American country. And how they are and what is their approach about health, that we want to see. This is all about the lesson, and we are moving to sentence by sentence reading and understanding of the lesson. So this is the duty of one of the primary duty of the government, to provide health facilities to the people. In democracy, people expect the government to work for their welfare. Each and every people there, we are having the expectation from government should work for our welfare or for our well-being. This could be through the provision of education, health, employment, housing, and development of roads, electricity, etc. In these are the primary needs of human being nowadays. If you are thinking like that, with if anyone is missing, means the people, they are lacking many things in their life. For example, education. If there is no education facilities, even though there is employment opportunities, but many people can't go and work because there is no educated people or trained people. Or education is there, health facilities are there, but no employment. Then how they will opportunities are there under government, it may be free, but people want to reach over there. That is not possible because there is no salary or livelihood to the people. So all these things are basic things, and this is the duty of the government to keep the to provide the welfare of the people or well-being of the people. For that purpose, government should provide education, health, housing, employment, development of roads, communication, electricity, etc. In this chapter, we shall examine the meaning and problem related to health. One of the basic need, we can say like that. If you are making the pyramid of basic needs, we can see this food, this is the our food and water is our basic need. Water plus food is our primary need. If we are getting enough water and food, then we will think about our clothing. And if we are getting enough clothing, then we will think about our housing, shelter. Then if we are getting that one properly, then we will think about our education. And if we are having enough money for that, then we will think about health. Related to this, all these things, other things, it is coming. So in this, what we are going to examine, we are going to think about the health issues, that is meaning and problems of health related things. Look at the subheadings of this chapter. In what way do you think this topic is related to the work of government? How we can prove that the health is the duty of the government, providing health is the duty of the government, why it is the duty of the government, like that things we can see. Okay, first heading, we can see so many pictures it is given in the chapter. We can see the marketplace. Here we can see the one person is sitting and selling the things. Here the mother is going to the workplace, and here we can see the hospital. Here also it is doctor is checking the patient. Here also we can see this hospital setting, and here the primary needs of water. Then they are cooking their food and having their food, and people, they are going to the grocery shop, going to the workstation, and children are playing. Then ladies are going in search of work, and parents are working with their children in the farming area and going to the barber shop. Then again coming to hospital, Then again the ambulance is coming and helping the people, and we can see the nurses, they are coming to the villages for village health or community health. All these pictures related to health and related thing. Here we can see no hygiene at all, and like these things we can see. And what we are going to see, what is health first. And if we are not understanding health, then how we will understand how it will be the duty of government. So we are going to think about health. Health means, please underline the second sentence, health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. What is the basic definition of health? This is the basic definition of health. You may get question like that, define health, or what do you mean by health. Then you can say like that, health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries. Means if we are healthy, we won't get any illness. For example, corona. Nowadays we are all thinking about how we can protect ourselves from corona, and if we are healthy, we won't get any problem, we won't get any symptoms of corona, or we won't affected with corona. And at the same time we won't get any injuries. It may be internal injuries or external injuries. But health, it is not only about disease. In health, we are here we said about only illness, but in health we can see that is not only about the disease. We should away from disease, something else also. You may have associated only one situation in the above collage with health. The collage is given related to health. In that we have seen many things, and what we often ignore in the fact that each of the above situation is related to health. When we are thinking about all this situation, it is related to health. Which part we are ignoring? Apart from the disease, we need to think other factors that affect our health. Example, hygiene, water pollution, environmental pollution, like that things. Okay, the disease which is making us to be diseased person or ill person, we can see that one, it is, we can see that different types of pollutions, and that is in that especially drinking water and air pollution, that two things, it is making us more problematic. So we are going to see the examples here. For example, if people get clean drinking water or a pollution free environment, they are likely to be healthy. Two situations they are saying like that. Example, many situations things should be there in the society, then only we can live healthy. In that two major things, one is clean drinking water or pure drinking water, and the pollution free environment. Then on the other hand, if people do not get adequate food, next one, we want to get enough food and have to live in a cramped conditions, means the with unhygiene, all garbage is putting in one side, and toilets without toilets using the roadside or near the houses, like that situations we can see. Still it is there in the villages of here in India. So like that situation, it is making people to be ill again and again, or sick again and again. So what all things we want to think? We want to get adequate food. We can see in the collage they are showing like that, the for need of food, that also proper food and a hygienic place to cook food, and getting the drinking water, all these things we can see in the collage also. And these are the basic things how we can improve our health. We should get pollution free water and environment, then we should get enough food, and we should get the hygienic situation, then we can be away from illness. Then all of us would like to be active and good in spirit in whatever we may be doing, which duty we are doing, that's not the matter, but we like to be active as well as good in spirit. And it isn't healthy to be dull or inactive, anxious or scared or for long stretch of time. Many days we are feeling like that, we are feeling dull, maybe because of the climate, or because of parents scolding or teachers scolding, or some extra work you may got, like the different reasons are there. Then we can see some days we are very inactive, we are feeling very lazy. Then some days we are very anxious just after exam days, we used to feel like that how much mark we will get like that, and scared of many different things. It may be scared to night time, or scared to some insects like that, different scares that for long stretch. Then normally what will happen, we will become sick. We all need to be without mental strain, means all these things making us to be strain with, we will under the mental strain. So the mental strain again, it is making to be a sick person. All of these various aspects of our life are part of our health, means we want to think about physical health as well as we want to think about physical health as well as mental health. We want to think both in both area, physical health as well as mental health. In first side we said about the physical health, means the environment, water, food and hygiene, like that things outside. And mental means our attitude, our anxiety, our laziness, like that things. All these things it is included in health. Means the health is means the well-being of the people. Again it is coming well-being of the people. It is not just absence of disease. We can say the if there is we are free from disease and injury, we are healthy. But at the end it is coming like that well-being of the people, means we should be feel well or welfare or well-being. There is absence of illness, as well as we should be secure mentally, we should be secure, and our environment should be secure. Then only like that in every area, if we are feeling well-being, then we can say we are healthy. So that first topic, what is health? So you can write the definition like that. Health means our ability to remain free of illness and injuries, and with well-being. That like that you can add one more word, and in that example you can write physical health, and means different aspects of health are there. In that physical health means we should get pollution free environment and clean drinking water, that one aspect. Another one aspect, we should be away from anxiety or scare, like that things, means our mental strain should be very very less, or absence of mental strain. So we completed that one topic, and we, then here it is given some of the question. Would you associate all or some of these pictures with health? In what way? Discuss in the group. We already discussed how it is affecting us, what it is. And the people, those who are working in the hot sun or in the factory situation, how much they are getting the problem. And those who are living in unhygienic situation, they are also going to get sickness. And we are going to the barber shop and getting the service of barber, if they are not keeping the hygiene, again it will affect our health. And like that, one by one thing we can see that how it is affecting our health. Pick two situations from the above collage and are not related to illness, and write two reasons on how they are related to health. Any two situation, if you are feeling like that it is not related to health, then pick up that one and say why you are feeling like that. That is not related to health. That is not related to health. You can see that one and you should say why that one is not related to health. Okay. Then we are moving to next part, health care in India, and what all provisions are there in India for health care. And we are going to see that one, the what all government services, what we are getting, or other services what we are getting, and when we are comparing with other developed countries, what is the condition of India, like that things we are going to discuss. That we will continue in next video.